Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your state return in FreeTaxUSA with exact forms, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore your state return in FreeTaxUSA, begin by visiting the official FreeTaxUSA website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section. In the My Account section, find the link for Returns. Select the return you want to restore. If you find your state return is not visible, check the Archived Returns section. Click on Archived Returns to check for your previous state return. If your state return is in the archive, select the option to restore it. Follow the prompts to confirm the restoration of your state return. After restoration, access the state return through the Returns menu. Review the state forms that need to be completed or updated. Ensure that all required fields in your state return are filled out accurately. If needed, refer to the specific state instructions provided by FreeTaxUSA. Complete each section of the return as necessary. Save your progress frequently to avoid losing any information. Once finished, review the entire return for accuracy. Look for any error messages or prompts that require your attention. When ready, proceed to e-file or print your state return. Follow the final prompts to submit or download your return. Keep a copy of your submission for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.